All right. Today we're doing some more ratios using what we call ratio table. All right. Um, Made up a little problem for us to solve, and it says there is a ratio of 5 to 4. That's how you read it. 5 to 4. Make those little column marks a little bigger. 5 to 4 girls to boys. So if it says 5 to 4, and then it says girls to boys, you know that the 5 goes with the girls and the 4 goes with the boys. Okay? Because it's got to be in the same order. 5 to 4, 5 to 4, girls to boys. In Caps High School. All right. I got a high school named after me. If there are 105 girls in school, how many total students are there? Usually they would ask us how many girls it was, how many boys would there be. But this saying, if there's 105 girls in the school, how many total students are there? How can we do this? All right, let's do this. Let's do it. Make us a ratio table, which is like this. And we're going to label it. I want to label girls, boys, and I hope you're writing this down with me. Girls, boys, and then the bottom is always going to be total. In this first column, we're going to call it the ratio column. And the second one is going to be the actual number. Okay, let's go back a few frames here. It said 5 to 4 ratio, 5 to 4 girls to boys. So in the girls column, we got 5. In the boys column, we got 4. The total, add those two numbers up, 5 plus 4 is 9. The actual column, let's go back. It said 105 girls in the school, so that's actual. All right, so there's 105 girls in the school. So where should I put the 105? Okay, I'm going to put it over here in the girls column under the actual. Now I can solve and find out how many boys and how many total. By doing what? I can look at this, so I can do this in color. This right here, take this and say 5 times what gives me 105. Well, you can take the calculator and go backwards and say 105 divided by 5 is going to be 21. All right, so outside here, I'm putting times 21. Get it out there. Times 21. So that means I had to times everything by 21. 4 times 21 is going to give me 84. 9 times 21 is going to give me 189. And you guys can add these columns up. We know 5 plus 4 equals 9. And then 105 plus 100 plus 84 gives me 189. So yes. So let's go back to the question. It's asked us. It said, how many total students are there? So how many total students are there? The total 189 students. Okay, another example. I'm going to shorten up my word problem. All right, let's just say there are a ratio of 3 to 2 people who like vanilla to chocolate. So vanilla to chocolate is 3 to 2 ratio. People surveyed at a fair. There's 505 people at the fair. How many people at the fair like chocolate? The ratio is 3 to 2, vanilla to chocolate, 505 people at the fair. So let's go to our ratio table. All right, we got vanilla, I'm going to abbreviate, chocolate, total. And you got ratio and actual. Okay, so it had three to 2 ratio vanilla to chocolate. And the total of the people at the fair was 505. That's the three information that they gave us. All right, so one, we can find this column right here by doing what? Adding up the ratio. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now you have to have, like we have here, you have to have a row that you can figure out what times what gives you it. If you don't have that information, you can't solve it, but we do. We have 5 times something gives me 505. So if you don't know what it is, you would divide 505 by 5 and you'd get 101, which means that every column is multiplied by 101. So you take 3 times 101 and you would get 303. And then you would take 2 times 101 and you get 202. So the question asks us, there's a ratio of vanilla to chocolate 3 to 2 at this fair that people got surveyed. 505 people at the fair. How many people like chocolate? Well, our ratio table tells us that it would be 202 people surveyed at the fair like chocolate. I love me some vanilla and I love me some ratio tables.